Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figeroux of the law firm Figeroux Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
What are common contingencies in purchase agreements? A step-by-step legal guide. In any real estate transaction in New York State, a purchase agreement is the binding contract between buyer and seller. But what happens when something unexpected occurs before the closing? That's where contingencies come into play. Contingencies are legal safeguards, conditions that must be met for the sale to proceed. They protect both buyers and sellers from unforeseen complications that could derail the transaction. At Figeroux Associates, we help our clients understand, negotiate, and enforce these critical clauses. This article explores the step-by-step process of how contingencies work and the most common types you'll encounter in New York real estate contracts. Step 1. Understand what a contingency is. A contingency is a provisional condition written into a purchase agreement. It gives one or both parties the right to cancel the contract, renegotiate terms, delay closing, if specific events or criteria aren't met. Each contingency includes a deadline by which the condition must be fulfilled, procedures for cancellation or resolution, responsibilities of each party. Step 2. Financing contingency, mortgage clause. The most common contingency in NYS is the financing or mortgage contingency. It states that the buyer has a specific period, usually 30 to 45 days, to secure a mortgage commitment. If the loan is denied, the buyer can cancel the contract and recover their deposit. This protects buyers from losing their down payment if financing falls through. We draft financing contingencies to ensure buyers aren't locked into a purchase they can't afford and to ensure sellers aren't left hanging indefinitely. Step 3. Home inspection contingency. This clause allows the buyer to hire a licensed inspector to evaluate structural integrity, plumbing and electrical systems, HVAC performance, roofing and foundation conditions, termite or mold issues. If the inspection reveals serious defects, the buyer can request repairs or credits, renegotiate the price, walk away from the deal. At Figeroux Associates, we ensure the inspection contingency includes fair timelines and clear exit rights. Step 4. Appraisal contingency. When buying with a mortgage, lenders require a professional appraisal. If the home appraises for less than the purchase price, the buyer may renegotiate the price, pay the difference out of pocket, cancel the deal if the contingency is included. This protects the buyer from overpaying and helps secure adequate loan funding. We help clients navigate appraisal disputes and negotiate fair outcomes. Step 5. Title contingency. A title search must confirm that the seller owns the property free and clear of liens, judgments, unpaid taxes, disputed ownership claims. If defects are discovered and cannot be resolved before closing, the buyer may walk away without penalty. We work with title companies to perform comprehensive searches and draft title contingency clauses that protect our clients from future litigation. Step 6. sale of buyer's home contingency. This clause gives the buyer a set period to sell their existing home. Use the proceeds to fund the new purchase. If they're unable to sell in time, they can cancel the contract without losing their deposit. While beneficial to buyers, sellers may see this as a risk. We negotiate terms that balance flexibility for buyers with reasonable deadlines for sellers. Step 7. Attorney review contingency. In New York, attorneys often include a clause allowing them to review and approve the purchase agreement within a few days of signing. Cancel the contract if legal issues are discovered. This window ensures each party's legal counsel has time to assess risk and recommend modifications. At Figeroux Associates, we take full advantage of this period to protect your interests. Step 8. Certificate of Occupancy, CO, and Permit Contingency. For properties with recent renovations or additions, this clause ensures proper permits were obtained. The structure meets building code. The seller provides a valid certificate of occupancy. Without these, the buyer may inherit legal and financial burdens. We use CO contingencies to demand documentation or legal resolution before closing. Step 9. Homeowners Association, HOA contingency. For condos and planned communities, buyers may include a contingency requiring review of HOA bylaws and rules. Financial health of the association, pending lawsuits or assessments. If the buyer finds the terms unacceptable, they can opt out. We help buyers analyze these disclosures and protect against hidden obligations. Step 10. Remove or satisfy contingencies. Once contingencies are satisfied, the buyer must formally remove them in writing. The deal proceeds toward closing. If unmet, the buyer may cancel under the terms of the agreement. Our firm tracks contingency deadlines, ensures proper documentation, and advises when to renegotiate or exit a deal. Conclusion. Contingencies in purchase agreements are vital legal tools that provide flexibility and protection. Whether you're buying your first home or investing in real estate, the right contingency clauses can save you thousands of dollars and untold stress. At Figeroux Associates, we ensure every contingency is strategically written, timed, and enforced to protect your best interests throughout the transaction. Legal precision, peace of mind, every step of the way. Schedule a consultation today. 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York, 11242. www.askthelawyer.us. 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362.
Thinking of buying or selling the home? Don't forget the fine print. At Figeroux Associates, we help you navigate the critical legal clauses in every real estate deal, especially contingencies. From financing to inspections, title searches to closing terms, these clauses protect your investment and your peace of mind. Don't sign that contract without us. Call 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362. Visit askthelawyer.us. Figeroux Associates. Real estate law that works for you.